I'm still at this KOA in Flagstaff, Arizona. I don't know, I guess the stress, the diverticulitis. Anyway, I've been down for 2 days. Anyway, feeling better today, had my coffee, and thought maybe I'd try to take a little walk around this place. It is huge. I'm looking at the map, it's kind of all dinged up, but this is how big this place is. Yeah, I kind of got the shakes. I need to eat. But, yeah, I am, where am I? Right here. There's the bathhouse and restrooms over here. There's laundry in here. There's also a little camp kitchen right outside my window, which I may have already shown you. But I'm looking for my keys over there. Yeah, it's still super. It's still super windy here. I need a jacket. I think there's one in the truck. Okay. Let me get this locked. There we go. I can't get this top lock to lock. I don't know why. Alright, let me get a jacket. I'll be right back. Okay, got my jacket. It is super windy here. 21, 25 mile an hour winds. And gusts up to 50 miles an hour over the last 3 or 4 days. But like I said, I've been sick, so I haven't really been out. This is actually the first time I've been out since I got here, other than to take my trash out, which I forgot. I'll get it next time. Let's look around the park. I'm assuming they rent these out, but they're pretty cool. Oh, somebody left their briquettes. I don't know, or they're still there and they left them to save their place. There's a couple just resting, basking in the sun. So pretty. It's bright and sunny, but it sure is cold. Looks like they have like bunk beds or something in there. I'm not sure if you could see that or not. Those are pretty neat, that little A-frame over there. So yeah, I pulled in here, like I said, 3 days ago, I think. Pretty miserable drive, too. Oh, anyway. All bathhouses. I guess. I don't know what this is. Been rolling down the road. I could see it from my RV. That looks pretty cool. I wonder how it closes up. I'll have to look at that online. But that is pretty cool. Huh. I don't know. Anyway, oh, they rent these. How cool. Oh, I'm going to try and do this. Another one. How cool. $5 for a half hour, $8 for an hour. 3-wheel bikes. Neat. Little play area for the kids. A dinosaur park, I guess. Campsites are pretty close together, but it's actually very quiet here. Oh, look. This guy's about 3 feet away from me getting a drink of water. Hi, Annie. Yeah, I don't know where this place ends. Nice big places to pull in. Kind of empty out now, but when I got here the other day, it was pretty full. I don't know where I was living. Where's my home? Oh well, just keep walking. Yeah, it's been super windy. Look up there. I can't walk and film at the same time. I lose my balance. Oh, somebody enjoyed their stay. Nice little picnic area. Ooh, windy. We got horseshoes. A mountain of fun. Jumping pillows. It's closed right now for repairs. I don't know if they fill it up with air. Maybe there's trampolines underneath. I wonder how they keep it clean. Oh well. I don't know how far I'm going to drive tomorrow. The winds all the way to Needles, California are supposed to be between 4 and 10 miles per hour. I looked on an app called Trucker Highway. I'll find it and put it wherever. And you put in where you are and where you want to go, and it basically tells you the best time to leave and shows you the wind speeds. So according to that and weatherchannel.com, tomorrow is supposedly the best day to leave. I don't know if I can make it all the way home. 700, 800 miles is a lot for my back. I actually paid for an airline ticket for someone to fly out and help me drive the rest of the way home. And I bought the ticket, gave them the information, and they backed out 6 hours later. So, like I said, this is really a nice park. The office, they have coffee, and the ladies in there are just the sweetest. And these people at this camp kitchen, these ladies are really nice, and boy, can they cook a breakfast. I normally never eat breakfast, but the first day I got here, I was pretty hungry. I ordered eggs, hash browns, toast, and sausage, and then I had coffee in the RV. It was $7, and it was a pretty full plate of food. And I ate almost all of it, which is unusual for me. I hardly ever eat breakfast. Well, I never eat breakfast. So I will hopefully be home by Friday. I don't know if I'm going to stop and stay somewhere, or if I'm going to try to go the full 800 miles tomorrow. Took you on a tour of this park. Pretty nice park, like I said, it's very quiet. And I've been slowly packing stuff up to leave here tomorrow. Plan on going halfway home. I don't think I can drive the whole way. And so yeah, I'm making my coffee for in the morning, been packing stuff up. So I don't have so much to do in the morning. Still not feeling 100% health-wise, but I got news today that my mom has been sick for about a month, something about her thyroid. So I'm going to try and get home in 2 days. Thanks again so much for watching my videos. And thank you to everyone for during this trip with all the mechanical problems I've had. It's been nice to have all the suggestions and the comments telling me, well, you know, if you do this, you know, it's been nice to have the help. It's been nice to have the support. And that's what has kept me going. Anyway, so I'll see you tomorrow morning. Bye.